I know that deep, frustrating feeling of doing everything right, yet still struggling with bloating and low energy. But did you know that the vast, intricate universe of trillions of microbes living within your gut holds the key not just to digestion, but to your mood, your immune system, and even your long-term brain health? This isn't just about comfort, it's about the very foundation of your vitality. For too long, this internal ecosystem has been overlooked, but today we're changing that. Let's begin with a common culprit hiding in plain sight: artificial sweeteners. Often marketed as a healthy alternative, many non-nutritive sweeteners found in diet drinks, yogurts, and protein bars can be devastating. As research highlighted by institutions like Harvard Medical School explains, these substances can alter the composition of your gut flora, preferentially feeding harmful bacteria and reducing the diversity of beneficial species. This imbalance, known as dysbiosis, doesn't just cause digestive upset, it sends inflammatory signals throughout your entire body. Next, we must discuss the invisible threat of emulsifiers. Ingredients like polysorbate 80 and carboxymethylcellulose are ubiquitous in processed foods, from ice cream to bread, to create a smooth texture. However, these compounds act like detergents in your gut. They can erode the crucial mucus layer that lines your intestines, a protective barrier that keeps bacteria safely contained. When this barrier is compromised, bacteria and toxins can leak through the gut wall into your bloodstream, triggering a low-grade chronic inflammatory response that is a root cause of many modern diseases. The connection between our minds and our guts is not metaphorical. It is a physical and biochemical superhighway. Chronic stress is a primary saboteur of gut health. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can decrease blood flow to the gut, alter intestinal motility, and directly kill off beneficial microbes. This gut-brain axis is a two-way street. A distressed gut, inflamed and imbalanced, sends signals back to the brain, which can manifest as anxiety, low mood, and brain fog. Managing stress isn't a luxury, it is a biological necessity for a healthy microbiome. Now, we move from the problems to the powerful solutions. The first step in rebuilding your gut is to feed the beneficial microbes you already have. They thrive on specific types of fiber known as prebiotics. This isn't just any fiber, think of it as targeted nourishment. Foods rich in prebiotic fiber, such as Jerusalem artichokes, garlic, onions, slightly underripe bananas, and asparagus, pass through the small intestine undigested. When they reach the large intestine, your beneficial bacteria ferment them, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is a superstar molecule. It's the primary fuel for the cells lining your colon, it strengthens the gut barrier, and it powerfully reduces inflammation throughout the body. This is where we create a definitive, actionable plan for profound change. Do not just listen. Decide to implement these 3 strategies starting tomorrow. First, introduce a direct deposit of beneficial microbes. I want you to consume 2 tablespoons of a live culture fermented food daily. This could be sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir. The key is the label must say live cultures, and it should be found in the refrigerated section. These foods directly inoculate your gut with diverse beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which actively outcompete harmful strains. Second, implement a strict 12-hour gut rest period overnight. If your last bite of food is at 8 p.m, your first bite the next day is no earlier than 8 a.m. This allows a critical process called the migrating motor complex, your gut's internal cleaning crew, to sweep undigested debris and excess bacteria out of the small intestine, preventing bloating and bacterial overgrowth. Finally, become a forensic label reader. Actively eliminate foods containing the emulsifiers we discussed, polysorbate 80 and carboxymethylcellulose, and the artificial sweeteners sucralose and aspartame. By removing these architectural disruptors and simultaneously adding beneficial microbes and giving your system time to clean itself, you are not just alleviating symptoms. you are fundamentally rebuilding the architecture of your inner health.